Hello to everyone and a very good evening. So just to wrap up really today's main news, and it has been centred around the headline bit of data out of the US today. So that was the non-farm payroll number, which did miss expectations of 130,000 to come in at 96,000 today. Although we did see a decline in the unemployment rate, was forecasted at 8.3%, in line with the previous, but came in today at 8.1%. However, we did see a slight fall in terms of labour market participation from 63.7 to 63.5, so just accounting for some of that decline. Now, in terms of market reaction, we saw the biggest move in the T-notes. So with that lower headline, we saw an aggressive move to the upside, and we also saw downside in terms of equity futures, seeing some pressure following that, and the dollar index also falling to fresh lows. Quite aggressive moves lower, and in terms of gold, moves to the upside. Now, following that, we did see renewed market talk and speculation ahead of next week's FOMC meeting and then press release from Bernanke. So speculation now widely expecting there to be an announcement of QE3 from Bernanke at that meeting. Therefore, we saw a continued rally in terms of T-notes, but we did see a pairing in terms of the equity futures, pairing that entire move, and then printing fresh highs, just as hope of stimulus from the Fed does emanate throughout the markets. Now, apart from that, that has been the main driver today, the main focus and market mover. We did also see the CME lowering margins for the energy complex, for the components within that, including crude. But ahead of next week, we are looking out for the German Constitutional Court ruling on the ESM. That's scheduled on the 12th. The 12th will be a key date, actually, so not only do we have that, we also have the beginning of the Fed's two-day meeting. We have the European Banking Supervisor Plan looking to hit the wires on that day. We've also got the Apple event where they're looking to announce their new products, so that day looks to be pretty important. We've also got the Dutch elections on the 12th as well. Over the weekend, we've got the Chinese CPI reading, so it'll be interesting to see that, and we could see some market reactions at the opening bell on Monday morning. But for the time being, enough from me. Have yourself a great evening and a brilliant weekend.